toolbox and realize half the tools inside look intimidating if you don't know what they do. That's exactly how a lot of people feel when they start thinking about buying a home. Credit scores, pre-approvals, down payments, interest rates, inspections, offers, and suddenly it feels like, maybe I'm not ready. And here's the truth. You don't need to know how to use every tool. You just need the right toolkit and the right people showing you how. Hi, I'm Pauline Lee, Realtor and Mortgage Loan Officer. Today, I'm going to walk you through the Homebuyer Toolkit, the essential tools every buyer should have before making one of the biggest purchases of their life. And if you're thinking about buying in the next 3, 6, or even 12 months, book a consultation with me. Links are in the description. Planning early changes everything. The flashlight, clarity. You never want to buy a home in the dark. The flashlight represents clarity. One of the biggest mistakes I see buyers make is browsing homes before understanding monthly payment comfort, down payment options, closing costs, what loan programs are the best fit. Because when buyers don't have clarity, they either buy less than they can or stretch farther than they should. That's why I encourage buyers to start with a consultation and pre-approval, not because you must buy immediately, but because knowledge removes anxiety. If you've been quietly browsing Zillow but haven't talked strategy yet, reach out. Let's put some light in the process. The screwdriver. Small changes can open big opportunities. A screwdriver isn't complicated. It's designed to make small adjustments that help everything work better. That's how mortgage preparation often works. A lot of buyers assume they need a huge income increase or perfect financial situation to move forward. But many times it's not about doing more, it's about adjusting smarter. It could be paying down a balance, waiting one more month for funds to season, reorganizing assets, exploring a different loan option, or choosing the right timing. Those small shifts can create meaningful changes in purchasing power, monthly payment, approval flexibility, and overall confidence. You don't always need to rebuild the whole plan. Sometimes one thoughtful adjustment changes everything. The level, keep things balanced. This one might be my favorite. Buying a home should stay level. I see buyers become emotional and suddenly, I'll waive everything. I'll stretch my budget. I'll figure it out later. Slow down. As your realtor and mortgage loan officer, my job isn't simply to help you buy, it's helping you buy in a way that still feels good after closing. We balance your payments, lifestyle, savings, and future goals because you need to be competitive to win the home, but you shouldn't have to sacrifice your financial peace of mind. Because the right home should fit your life, not become your entire life. If you want somebody to pressure you into buying, I'm probably not your person. But if you want strategy and education, I'd love to help. The wrench, the right fit matters. You wouldn't use a wrench to drive a nail, would you? Trying to force your financial situation into a one-size-fits-all loan is just as ineffective. Everyone's financial picture and home buying goals are different, so you need the specific loan that's built for your situation. Depending on your goals, we might look at conventional or FHA for standard needs, bank statement loans for the self-employed, renovation or bridge financing for specific property goals, or specialized investor products. The right mortgage should fit your life, not force you into a plan that doesn't belong. The toolbox. Your team matters. One tool alone doesn't build much. The magic happens when everything works together. Your lender, your realtor, attorney, inspector, and insurance agent. As both a loan officer and realtor, I connect the financing and home strategy together. And I have trusted partners to build a great team to handle obstacles and give you the full support to move forward confidently. So here's what I want you to remember. You don't need every answer before starting. You don't need perfect timing. You don't need perfect credit. You don't need to know every tool. You just need the right toolkit. If buying, refinancing, investing, or even just exploring is on your radar, Connect with me. Book a no-obligation consultation. Let's build your home buying toolkit together. The links are in the description. And as always, I encourage you to get pre-approved.